Hello everyone, I'm Nightbuzzer and welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a very good marble material like this, instead of using a bland version that just looks very fake and not realistic. So I've prepared just a little scene with some assets from Twinmotion that I imported. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the content browser and create a folder. I've already created a level sequence and two materials that I used on the pictures that I showed you before, and we're gonna work on a new material. So open up your folder with your textures. I just have an albedo and a roughness map from the Quixel Megascans, and I'm just gonna right click, create a new material and name this Marble 1. Double click to open the material editor, and then here you have the content browser, and I'm just gonna select both of these textures and drag and drop them in my my material editor. I'm just gonna make this screen bigger. Now you're gonna want to plug the albedo into the base color, the roughness into the roughness. Then you're gonna hold 1 on the keyboard and tap on the screen to create a constant. This we'll use for the opacity, and I'm gonna select this one, Control C, click wherever you want to place it, Control V to duplicate it, and I'm gonna plug this one into the subsurface color. And the only thing that remains is to check here on the shading model to subsurface, and then to set the opacity. Now in my case I've found that a value of 0.985 works pretty neat, and I'm just gonna, and this is it. This is all that we need to do. And if you're wondering why we're using the subsurface material, is because in real life marble has some type of translucency. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see on the edges that it creates a nice glow effect, almost. So after that's done, let's just drag and drop the material on our mesh, and let's check to see how it looks. And be aware that this type of material only looks good in path tracing. In late mode, in Lumen, it looks good as well, but not as realistic as it does in path tracing. I've tried some workarounds, but it didn't work, and yeah, that's it. But if you have other thicker meshes and you want to play around with the opacity value, you can do that, but I don't recommend going below 0.9 or something. You can make it however you like, but I like this subtle effect, because let's do a test so I can show you what I mean. So let me show you an example. If I type here 0.5 for example, hit apply, and then you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna see how strong the effect is, and this just doesn't look right. But it depends on the mesh, and yeah. You can also use a color texture here just by tapping 3 on the keyboard, and you create a color constant and you can set whatever color you want. But I found that with using the same map from the albedo, it makes a pretty nice and accurate shading. So that was it for this tutorial, very quick one, but I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. And also check the community tab, because I post there some news sometimes and you want to be aware of those. That's it, I'll see you next time, have a great day, Bye.